Bw'ekinguru ky'omuliro amo n'amabuta opio endanyi bono nigo ayenikire buna ensi ya Kenya nigebwate amabuta ye petroli esaine gokonya emirobiryo kogenderera ase aichanire buna okubara kw'amabuta litko lyeigoro na lero
asainekire hegekorekyo nkubwatekana n'omuchando obeira arwase sector yokagokwana ekerekera na busyo bw'ebunge esaine tomo basolero kwereneria maborio Moske wandai niko bono ayenekirie obotoerero nkwerenerwa bore nabo igo amabuta ayo kuranura sobongeri n'abananchi banyori bagario kwegenderia ase emirobiryo yabo.
Dealing with the issue of fuel, as was raised by Honorable Senator Okech. Let me say this from the start. From the outset, Honorable Speaker, we have got adequate fuel supplies in the country. We have got adequate fuel supplies in the pipeline system, Honorable Speaker. All the products, petrol, diesel, kerosene, jet fuel, Honorable Speaker. And this has been made possible, Honorable Speaker, that in spite of the challenges that the world is going through, especially following the turmoil in the Middle East, this country has been lucky to survive that turmoil on account of the very robust government-to-government fuel importation system or framework. Honorable Speaker, the government-to-government fuel importation framework is what has enabled this country to be where it is. Otherwise, we'd be talking of something different, Honorable Speaker. Many countries, without mentioning even some neighboring countries, have had serious challenges, Speaker, that you can't believe. But having said so, the latest challenge that was experienced yesterday and part of today was occasioned by a technical and administrative hitch, which we have since resolved. That hitch curtailed the normal uptake of fuel by some of our oil marketing companies. It has since been resolved, and normal supply is resuming today. I am sure by the end of today, when you go to filling stations, you will be able to get a supply of all the products of petroleum. Honorable Speaker, we continue to monitor the happenings in the Middle East very, very closely. And we continue to engage very, very closely with our international oil company suppliers, the IOCs, together with their local agents, that is the oil marketing companies that work with them closely. And we have got no doubt as government that even in the worst case scenario, this country is not going to suffer any fuel shortage. I just want to appeal to Kenyans to be patient and to bear with us as we address some of these small hitches. Honorable Speaker. And I must thank all the stakeholders, especially the oil marketing companies, for remaining cooperative and working very, very closely with us to be able to navigate these very challenging times, Honorable Speaker.